Hi, could I get 5 on 6, please? Thanks. This is how you do it. Go with a little 91 on that goose. There you go. Then gun it. This is a pre-workout. And yeah, I'm breathing heavy because there's like a lack of oxygen in my helmet. Because my cheeks are all squeezed. I got a freaking beard. Things be popping, alright? I put $5 in here because I don't even know how much like is gonna cost. I don't know how many gallons it needs. I think it needs like 3 gallons. So we're gonna need more than 5. But that should be enough for us to ride right now. So we're just gonna go with that. See how it slows down? Cheap ass. Just let me give me more than 5 in it. And pop it. Alright, I'm gonna try using cash instead of a card, because cards be getting hacked, man. People be buying sex dolls off of my cards. Receipt? No. Only thing that sucks is I hate getting off the bike and going inside, because now I gotta take out my key, which I think is in this one. See, I lost my key now. See, even birds holler at me. You see that? They won't. And I just dropped 5. Put that right there. Bet I'm gonna forget that. There you go. Got the key. Boom. You can tell that dude's musty. You can just tell, looking at him, you can just tell he's musty. Out of them shots. Get that 5 on him. And did he shine on him? Tell Flex to run it back. Drop a bomb on him. I think that's the line. I'm not sure. I think it is though. See, Kakarot's old school. Trip A, reset. Let's see how much we get. Alright then, man. Alright then, let's do this. So R6 should be pretty easy to ride. Mirrors check, booty check. Let's get the F out. Ooh, middle lane down. The tires are cold. I wanted to brake super hard, but she a hoe. She'll kill me. Alright, let's do this. I said, did he shine on him? He likes it, man. He likes it. Did he shine on him? Plus, I want that back and drop a bomb on him. So I'm gonna give you a recap. So you're asking me, man, I'm new to the channel, or I haven't been to the channel a long time, or I'm just an idiot and I don't remember. But you're not an idiot, you're my idiot, alright? You're my idiot. I claim ownership. What happened was we installed a new mod on the bike, a mod that I've been wanting since forever. But it was expensive, man. It was expensive. I had to work some late nights and twerk on some poles to grab the cash to pay for it. And for the help of Patreon, which used to exist, and now it's a barren wasteland, a ghostland. A ghost town, but we're gonna talk about that in another video because I gotta pay more attention and I gotta fix it. But that's not what we're not talking about Patron right now. Put your nah, you have a nice body from the back. Keep your shirt off, man. Keep your shirt off. Nah, but so what happened was we got the Translogic auto blip quick shifter system. We used to have this thing right here where I used to press it and used to warm up the bike 100 times. So like it was a pre-warm up kind of thing. It's like your bike stretching and getting ready for the fight or getting ready for the workout, if that's a better word. But what happened was that I installed it, excuse me, there were some issues, figured it out, talked to the people I bought it from, amazing customer service, Motor Mummy, check them out. We installed the part, it just wouldn't work. Our bike was stranded. There's something called a coil inside or igniter, I don't know, I think it's called a coil, and it's inside. Don't worry, there's nobody behind us. I know you guys can't see, there's nobody behind us. Alright, I can moon the person behind me and ain't nobody gonna see, because there ain't nobody behind us. Man, drive faster! You got people being, never mind, you got motorcycles on there. Dirt bikes, I'm gonna let it slide. The Translogic system turned out to be a dud. What is a dud? Trash. Turned out to be straight trash. Their customer service was amazing. Product, trash. It just wouldn't work on my bike. First, I was thinking there's a problem with my installation. No, there wasn't. There was no problem with the R6 with Kakarot. She riding dirty as ever. Diddy shine on her. Man, Kakarot is pimping stronger than ever. Alright, if anything, she's getting stronger as she goes. But the Translogic system was trash. It was a great company. It just happened to be that the product I got was straight trash. And it's crazy because I tried so much to get a sponsorship from anybody who has a Translogic system, and everybody gave me the middle finger, or they didn't even reply back to me, which is the same thing as the middle finger. Man, I'm losing my voice. But in the end, what happened was I still went with it. I worked those extra shifts. I twerked the booty. I rubbed it on the pole, and I got the extra cash and paid for it. Turns out God didn't even want me, man. God didn't even want me to have Translogic. God didn't want you to have Translogic. I tried whatever I could. We gave the bike to, I call them Metric Method. If you saw in that stranded video of the person I'm calling, that's Metric Method. Huge shout out to Metric Method for being awesome. The link is in the description below. As always, I don't know. I honestly, I don't even think it's as always. I forget a lot. I forget a lot. There is no link in the description below or any of that jazz. Metric Method helped. I called them. I told them, man, fix my bike. Please fix my goddamn bike. They went. They got the bike. They worked it. They troubleshooted. They figured out that there's no issues with Kakarot whatsoever. She's the perfect child. Or not the perfect child. The perfect groupie to ever exist. The best R6 in the world because it's gold and Super Saiyan, man. The only R6 out there that's a Super Saiyan, that's mine. We troubleshooted with Translogic. They were more than helpful. We troubleshooted with Moto Dynamic. Or Moto Mummy. You guys gotta stop using the word Moto, man. Use something else. We talked with Moto Mummy, everybody, and they all just, it couldn't be done. What the end would have had to happen was, I just didn't want it. I didn't feel safe having that product on my bike. And I'm as honest as I am with you guys always, alright? If I tell you I eat booty, I eat booty. I'm honest. I tell you guys everything, man. So when it comes to parts, I'm sorry, Translogic could be the best company in the world. It just didn't do it for us. We did whatever we could. It didn't work out for us. So in the end, what happened was we shipped the product back to them. And watch, like, listen to this, all right? Open your goddamn ears. If you're not gonna listen to anything that I say, just listen to this. At the same, wait, watch. Number 4, right? No hands, no clutch. 5, 6. Who do we appreciate? No, is that right? 5, 6. I don't know. I can't remember it. And yeah, I used to date a cheerleader, so that's what it reminded me of. 5, 6. Who do? No. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? There you go. There you go. Something like that. At the same time this was going down, the bike was at Metric Method. The Translogic system was not working for us. Guess what happened? You guys are wondering that, hey, Saiyan, homie, drop a gear for us in the most ugliest way possible? Okay. And then Saiyan, bring it back for us. So what happened was I'm so happy, man. I missed this bike. Now it's like one of your girls got kidnapped, all right? Take it as that. Or one of your girls is getting surgery done. No, I'm gonna go with kidnap. One of your girls got kidnapped. All right, one of your shorties got kidnapped. How would you feel? And when you got her back and you're, you know, riding her, how would you feel? Like, you will feel pretty amazing, right? So I'm trying to convey the emotion that I'm feeling at this given moment right now. But yeah, man. So at the same time this was going down, all right? At the same time Translogic wasn't working. My broken heart was thirsty because Nimbus was with me, Broly was with me, but Kakarot wasn't with me. Don't look, homie, don't look. Mr. Popo, don't look. Mr. Popo from Dragon Ball. That's what I feel. I'm telling you guys, sometimes things are just meant to be. Alright, if Translogic isn't for me, I can do whatever I want in the world, and Translogic won't work for me. Why? Because at the same time this was happening, the amazing company Bazzaz. Bazzaz, I like that name, Bazzaz. I name a shorty Bazzaz. I name a kid Bazzaz. 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 So I can't remember. I can't remember. Ooh, puppy. Niggity dog. I don't even know what we're talking about. Are you guys protesting something? You matter to God? I matter to God, not you! I matter to God! Free food. For what though? For what? What's the catch? Nothing in life is free. So what is the damn catch? What is the catch? You look like somebody from my work. Never mind, you do not. You look better. And yes, I work with Uggos. But at the same time, all this stuff was going down, nothing was working, and I was like, God damn, why? Why, God, why? This is the only mod that I've actually really wanted. What happened was that this same exact time, a beautiful company called Bazzaz was looking for an R6 looking for an R6 to do R&D on, because they wanted to create their own quick shifter auto blipper. I'm not exactly sure on the details. They're going to let me know. They're working on their own quick shifter auto blipper. Plus, around the same exact time, the virus hit us right in the butt, all right? The buttocks. That's where the virus hit us. And it was crap, man. It was crap. I was sad. I wasn't feeling like myself. I didn't want to do anything on the bikes. I was working from home. Like, I'm still working from home. I'm making it sound like depressing, but it ain't. It's not depressing. It's just, I really just hated everything because I wanted my bike back, man, and I wanted my bike to work. And I was like, why am I the only person who the channel logic system is not working for? But then Bazzaz came. They took the bike for R&D and they fitted it with a shifter of a quick nature. All right, a shifter of a quick nature, a quick shifter. I was glad, man. I was happy because, you know, in the end, what happened was my bike went in to get fixed for a quick shifter auto blipper system. It didn't work, but at the same time, a company was looking for the exact bike, and they got lucky because they found me because we got the channel and we got the beautiful R6. And like, you're gonna tell me that just a damn coincidence? Huh? It's not, man. Sometimes you gotta believe good stuff will happen and good stuff will happen. You go through challenges in your life, you keep pushing through, you don't get beat. You keep pushing through and good stuff will happen. And what happened with us? We got somebody else to do a quick shifter for us and do testing on the bike and stuff like that. But the only thing that sucks is the virus hit us and they were only able to do the quick shifter. They're ready for the auto blipper part. Like, the research and all that stuff is done, but currently there's parts that, because of the COVID, are not available, so we don't have an auto blipper. But we're gonna get one. That's the cool part. We're gonna get one once everything settles back and the life kind of returns back to normal, which I don't know when. Man, I am not loving this clutch. So long story short, we had a crappy system, didn't work for us, great company, but the system was crappy. We returned it. Same time, Metric Method was working on the bike. Another company wanted to do the exact same part, and guess what? They were looking for a bike that they could test on and do R&D on. So I told them that, hey, Kakarot is ready to get down and dirty. Kakarot is ready to get down and dirty. And they're like, all right, let's do it. But it's crazy how things work, and we're very able to get the Bazzaz system. I'll talk more in details about it once I have more information on the system itself. And I seriously can't wait until this COVID stuff. Would you really do this? Really? You couldn't wait just another second? Another freaking second? But we have the Bazzaz quick shifter on this bike. More videos, more raw content of the quick shifter will be coming soon. More details on the system will be coming soon. Hopefully, once the stuff dies down, the COVID, the protests, and all this sorts of stuff that breaks my heart, man, but I don't want to talk about it. I really don't want to talk about it, because every single day, God, it just makes me so sad. Like, it just, I feel like I want to make a video about that, because I don't know if you guys know, but my background has a lot of what's happening, so I feel like I want to make a video and talk about it and tell you guys my own experience. I don't know if you guys want to know though, or want to watch a video about that, but I can share a lot with you guys about my life and how a lot of this stuff, you know, really hits me down deep and reminds me of my childhood and stuff like that. But anyways, argle bargle, man, argle bargle. But enough of that. The R6 Kakarot's back. New quick shifter, auto blipper on the way. What company? Bazzaz. Video about that coming soon. Raw videos of me riding with the quick shifter coming soon.